Hi, I'm Janae Mummert with AV Franklin here at InfoComm 2025. It's my 29th InfoComm. I started when I was 2 years old. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. One of the things that we're really proud to show here this year is our dynamic light screens. These have been nicknamed the tripod killer and it's really stuck. So this is the tripod killer. It comes in a 6-foot and an 8-foot size, portable, all one piece, easy to set up by one person, and so much prettier and so much sleeker and more tailored than the old tripod screen that's always crooked and leaning one way or the other. They come with hard cases, soft cases, you can do front, rear, or dual surfaces, and really make your breakout rooms and your meetings in hotels and small areas look so much better and not so much like 1982. In addition to that, we have our dynamic screens, which is our classic line of portable folding projector screens that go all the way up to a 24-foot size. We have all the trim kits you need. We can sell drapery. We can do everything you need when it comes to projection screens. You can find us at www.avfranklin.com or just give us a call. We'd love to work with you.